Meaning of impeccably.
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 Impeccably. The term impeccably refers to the quality of being flawless or perfect. When something is done impeccably, it means that it has been executed with great care, precision and attention to detail, resulting in a flawless outcome. For instance, an actor who delivers his lines impeccably would mean that he has performed his role flawlessly without any mistakes or errors. Similarly, a chef who prepares a dish impeccably would imply that it has been cooked to perfection, with precise measurements, impeccable presentation, and delicious flavor. Ultimately, doing something impeccably means producing a superior outcome that stands out for its excellence and quality.